Hello from Florida, where I'm currently teaching a workshop and visiting friends. I wanted to let you know that I am part of the Collage Makers Summit this year for 2026, and that begins on March 16th. And I am going to be teaching along with 13 other collage artists. It's going to be online, pre-recorded, and you will be able to view and review the material for as long as you would like. The material will be available to you indefinitely, and the dates of during the dates of the workshop, which is the 16th to the 29th of March 2026, you'll be able to ask questions of the teaching artists in the forum on the website. So there'll be Q&A and an open kind of online virtual classroom experience. So you'll be able to do that. My lesson is going to be a whimsical goat collage. The goat is going to have a sort of an abstract background, a strip of collage abstract background, and then I'm also going to incorporate some stenciling patterning in the background. So I'm combining abstract collage, stencil pattern background, and a very realistic whimsical goat collage. So that's going to be my lesson, but there'll be 13 other lessons from other artist teachers, and you can learn more about these artists and their lessons on the website for the Collage Makers Summit 2026. So I'm going to put the link for the workshop webpage below, and I'm going to give you a link to my newsletter. So if you subscribe to my newsletter before the event, or at least before it ends, you will get a coupon code from me for $10 off, which will then make the Collage Makers Summit 2026 only $79. So you'll get 14 video lessons from 14 fantastic teaching artists for only $79. You'll have indefinite lifetime access to the videos, and you'll have 2 weeks where the artist will be answering questions in the online forum. I think you can't really beat it, you know? So I will actually list the other teaching artists below the video in the expanded description box, and I will give you a link to my newsletter. Please sign up for my newsletter, and then I will send you a coupon code for $10 off. So I look forward to seeing you there at the Collage Maker Summit. Make sure you ask me some questions about my lesson, and I'm super excited about this. So join the newsletter and get the discount, and I will see you at the Collage Maker Summit beginning on March 16th, 2026, and going through the 29th. One new lesson publishing every single day for 2 weeks.